In this video, I'm going to show you how to combine expenses in Expensify. So this is actually called merging expenses, and if you go over here to reports inside Expensify, and if you go to expenses and try to basically select two of them, as you can see, there's no option really to combine or merge these expenses. And that is because you need to go to Expensify Classic before doing this. And the way you can do this is by going to settings over here. And then inside settings, you want to go over here to general where it says switch to Expensify Classic. So click on that. And after that, you want to just click no thanks. And then I need a feature that's only available in Expensify Classic, and then click next. And after that, your response to what feature do you need that isn't available in new Expensify should be, for example, merging. There we go. And after that, simply press next and then switch to Expensify Classic. And now what you want to do is over here on the left, you want to navigate to expenses and select your expenses. So let's say these two, the first two, are the ones I want to combine or merge. So you just select the first one, then the second one, and an option will appear up here which says merge. So just click merge. After that, it says over here, merge expenses, expense to keep. You can select which one you would like to keep, and then you can select the total of them. And if you have a receipt, you'll be able to select the receipt. From here, you then have to press save. And after that, as you can see, your expense has been combined or merged. Now, keep in mind, once you do this, this option cannot be undone. And of course, you will have to create a new expense if you want to get the previous two back. So after you've done this, if you still want to use the new Expensify, so not the classic one, you can switch back by clicking over here, try new Expensify, and just like this, you'll go back to the previous or the newest version of Expensify. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.